Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice search in Google Maps. To use voice search in Google Maps, open your Google Maps application on your device first. Make sure that you're connected to the internet for real-time features, and from the home page, go to the search bar at the top of the screen right where you see Search Here. There, you will be able to see that a microphone icon is available on the top right-hand side. Tap on it to activate voice input. Now, speak your command clearly. Say what you are looking for, example, navigate to Central Park, find coffee shops nearby, and so on. Search for coffee shops nearby. Now, after you speak your command, choose or confirm your selection from the multiple results appearing on the screen. Now you can quickly find places without typing, which is perfect for when you are on the go. That was how you can easily use voice search in Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.